everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you TikTok favorite sounds not showing. First, open TikTok on your mobile device. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the homepage. Select any video from your profile or the homepage. Tap on the icon in the bottom right corner of the video player. Then select Add to Favorites. Return to your profile and tap on the favorites icon to view your saved videos and sounds. Tap on the sounds tab to explore the library of available sounds. If the sound still isn't showing up, try closing the app and reopening it. If that doesn't work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling TikTok. From your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Report a Problem and then chat with us. Describe the issue, mention that your favorite TikTok sounds are not appearing, and send a message. TikTok support will assist you in resolving the problem promptly. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.